It's a very tranquil little site. It's without toilet blocks. 69 pitches, 10 of them are seasonal. We've got 13 hard standings with awnings. We've got about 10 hard standings without awnings. It's just a beautiful place to escape life, to be honest. We do get people time and time again coming back. They just love how peaceful it is. You've got Jeremy Clarkson's farm, which isn't too far. It's about a 15-minute, 20-minute drive. You've got Stow-on-the-Woe. You can even go to Cheltenham, which is about a 20-minute drive from here at the most. But so many beautiful places. You have the Slaughters, which is a little village as well, just off from here. The 8:01 bus will stop 7 minutes past the hour, on the hour, and pick them up as long as they put their hand down. And they come back and they say, it's so easy, it's dog friendly, and they get to Bourton-on-the-Water.